Dang, bro, just put your head back like this now.
Yeah, man, give him a come over in like a line.
What up, everybody? Caleb Lindsay here with my son Micah, and he's gone. Yeah. Anyways, though, we are about to get into another haircut tutorial, so let's just get right into it then. So today I'm going to be cutting my boy Tony, co-worker, fellow barber. He's only 19 years old. He's already killing it in the game. Going to be showing you a lot of stuff coming from him, haircuts, a little interview that we got planned out. But yeah, today I'm cutting his hair. We're doing a undercut skin taper. So you see I just start off by sectioning the hair. That way it's easier to work, you know. You don't have to be dealing with any of that long hair in your way. And then I'm just going to create my guideline using my wall magic clip. Using my wall magic clip. Using my wall magic clip. And I'm just skinning it out, taking off his little hair on the side. And I'm just going in with my one open and just going up like about an inch, creating my lines, you know. On this side, I felt like whoa, so cool. Yeah, it was my first time cutting his hair, so I felt like, you know, I was still filling out, you know, his hair. It's kind of how it is for most people the first time you cut them, you know. That's why I normally like to film a haircut video like the second time I cut them. But you'll see on the other side, I kind of got it down exactly what it is I was trying to do. This one, I edited a lot out of me kind of, you know, messing with the blend a little bit more. I'm just going through with my half clip there and then just starting to blend that line out, doing a little clipper over comb section. I did the plastic too, and then as you see on the other side, I just do the metal too, which I should have just, probably would have helped me get that blend in a lot quicker. Moving on to the back here, you see I'm not too experienced using these clips. I actually just got these. So you see I put it on backwards, spraying some of the hair down so it kind of stays together. Now you see I still put that second one on the wrong way. But yeah, you want to put it on the other way so that way the teeth kind of, you know, grab the hair. But yeah, see now I'm doing the number 2 metal clip. And it's just getting through that hair a lot easier and just taking it down to about the length I would probably work it down to anyways, you know. That's why I love using metal clips. They just really work. They just really eat through the hair real quick and just get it to what it is you're looking to get the length to anyways, what you would have been working on, you know. Anyways, you see I'm just creating my guideline, balding it out, going in with that one, going in with that half, and just working up that blend line, you know, trying to create a nice smooth transition. And I've had these walls. Oh no! And I've had these walls for a while since they first dropped, you know, back in the day, and they're still running strong. So I really love using those. You're about to be seeing my new clipper lineup coming up pretty soon. I got some new machines on the way, so you guys will be seeing all that pretty soon here. But I mean, the Magic Clip are still my old reliables. I like the stagger tooth comb a lot. And yeah, you see on this other side though, I just went through it a lot quicker, already knowing what I was looking for from the first side that I did. And then you see I go back around to the other side and I just kind of, do a little cleanup. Trying to make those two sides just look as good as I can, So we're on the front right here, just going through and lining it up. Then I decided to go through with the number 2 metal clip, and I'm just taking that down, some of that bulkiness. And then gonna go back around and line those up. Yeah, I got the absolute hitters, the protege ones that I just got in. I really like those. I might be customizing the blade a little bit, getting that black graphite blade. But yeah, it's been a while since I've really upgraded a lot of my my tools, so it's kind of been a long time coming for a while now. Yeah, you see at the shop though, it's pretty cool working over here at a shop like real close to my house. I could literally just like walk there, be there in like 2-3 minutes, But yeah, that's a big part. Having a shop where you feel comfortable and everyone's cool there. I really like this new shop. Everyone's real chill. It kind of just brought like reinvigorized my love for barbering, So I'm gonna start doing a lot more videos coming up. But yep, as you can see, that is the before and after. And yeah, I'd say it came out pretty good. See, we just put a little bit of that texture powder on top, And yeah, that's the way he likes it. Coming up, he was saying for the summertime he may want to cut it off, do like number 6 on top. So if he really does do that, then I will definitely make a video on that transformation. But yep, that came out pretty good. Just a undercut trim on top, about a number 2, as a skin fade going into like a number 2. And yeah, I thought it came out clean. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's any videos or anything you guys want to see coming up. I got a lot of ideas and content that you guys will be seeing pretty soon. So yeah, thanks guys. See you in the next one. Say bye. Bye.